Check in with First Alert Chief Meteorologist Paul Heggen is here. If you're headed up to the mountains, make sure you have those chains and don't wear flip-flops.
And just don't go. I mean, we're past the point now where you should really be heading in that direction because the winter storm warning goes into effect later on tonight. The roads are going to become icy and then snow-covered, and it's just going to be sloppy. Wait until Thursday and Friday. Let the road crews catch up and do their thing. They're good at it. Give them time. Let's take a look at the big picture pattern and the storm system that brought us the shower activity earlier today. That is moving out. It's kind of the 1-2 punch of storm systems. It's hard to tell where one ends and the next begins, but the next ripple in the atmosphere that's going to drive more showers across the Bay Area is looming to our northwest, and that is going to help to ramp up the snowfall rates in the High Sierra as well. We'll talk about that momentarily. They are getting kind of a rain-snow mix at the moment, while the showers have come to an end around the Bay Area, but a few passing showers certainly going to be possible as we head through late tonight and to start the day tomorrow. It's going to be hit or miss activity. It's really hard to pin down exactly where, exactly when the showers are going to occur because there's just not much organization to it. So just be prepared for those showers at any point during the day tomorrow. Keep the rain jacket and the umbrella handy. There will be some dry breaks in between. They're just not going to last very long with that off and on shower pattern continuing as we head through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Some locally heavy downpours that aren't going to last more than about 15-20 minutes or so. That activity gradually sagging farther and farther to the south as we head through the evening and early overnight hours. And then by about midnight, the last of the sprinkles should be winding down and we'll dry things out for Thursday and Friday. That's the point. If you want to head up to the Sierra, that's the time you want to do it because we'll be seeing dry weather taking over for the end of the work week. How much additional rain are we talking about? I showed you the numbers earlier that we added up today. Pretty similar across the board for tomorrow. On the low end of the spectrum, maybe just over 1/10 of an inch of rain. On the high end, just short of 4/10 of an inch of total rainfall, just enough to help us keep pace with what is normal to this point in the water year. Tomorrow is going to be breezier than the conditions we had today. Now, to start the day, it's not going to be windy except along the coast where it's almost always windy, but those winds are going to be picking up by late morning into the afternoon. Widespread 20 to 30, even 30+ mile-an-hour wind gusts are going to continue through rush hour tomorrow afternoon. So not only will the roads be potentially wet, the wind is going to be trying to move you around on those roads a little bit as well. The winds will finally die down once we get past midnight tomorrow night. Thursday and Friday look significantly calmer across the board. Here's that winter storm warning for the Sierra. Talking about 1 to 2 feet of widespread snow accumulation. Some of the highest peaks getting up to 3 feet of snow. It's great news for the ski resorts. The trouble is trying to get there. Again, Thursday and Friday, that's your travel window because we do have another system that's going to be heading our way on Saturday. So do not plan on heading up to the Sierra on Saturday or even early Sunday because while they get more snow, we are going to be getting more rain. That's the last significant chance of rain that we have in the forecast. It does look like we're going to enter a multi-day stretch of dry weather beginning Sunday, continuing Monday, Tuesday, maybe all the way through the following work week. We'll keep you updated on that. Right now, looking outside and seeing clearing skies over the Santa Clara Valley. Temperatures are in the low to mid 50s. We return to near average temperatures today, and that's going to be the case for the next several days. Everybody within a few degrees of each other and everybody within a few degrees of what's normal. After we start off with a mix of 30s and 40s on the map tomorrow morning, we will warm up, but only to the mid to upper 50s for most of the Bay Area. 57 degrees in San Jose is going to be one of the warmer locations. 54 Los Gatos, only 53 degrees right for a high temperature tomorrow in Morgan Hill with the showers lingering just a little bit longer into the day, but low to mid, some upper 50s sprinkled in. It's pretty much the expectation for the entire Bay Area. These numbers are just a tiny bit below normal, but only 1 or 2 degrees below what's typical for early January. We're going to see a continuing trend of this. Everybody within a few degrees of each other and everybody very close to normal through the duration of the 7-day forecast. So let's take a look at that. And once again, we're not breaking things down by microclimate because everybody has the same temperature forecast and everybody has pretty much the same rain chances as well, with that next good chance of showers heading in for the first half of the weekend on Saturday. So push any outdoor plans to the second half of the weekend on Sunday. And then we'll keep the dry weather going for a couple of days at least to begin next week. We'll keep you updated on that as we head through the rest of this week.